trim my beard on a weekly basis, practically a weekly basis, in the bathroom in our old place with a nice big mirror. This week I decided to do it in my workshop in a tiny little sort of mirror that people would do their makeup in or pluck their eyebrows. I got all of my paraphernalia out, ready to do it, and was going great guns. And actually, I was wanting to go a little bit shorter, a little bit trimmer, just to help a little bit with the VANLIFE thing. But then I had a bit of a wobble of the hand and hacked into myself, and then had to do a bit of a salvage job. So for a little while I was looking like Colonel Sanders from KFC, and yes, I've ended up with a very trim profile, which I'm not overly overly impressed with. So I've gone from my magnificent moustaches and beard to
it's all gone.
So,
you can see your teeth.
Yeah, I got teeth.
Things I've learned this week. I need to get to my favourite lay-by earlier so that it's not taken up, because I've already settled in and claimed my outside office, and when I can't get that space, well, when I didn't get that space, I couldn't settle for a day. So that's a lesson learned. So I need to be in position earlier.
You got a little bit indignant that somebody had stolen your space.
Yeah, someone stole my space. That's my happy place. It's where I feel I'm already, it's only been a week, nearly 2 weeks. I've got the place where I go when Will's at work and I feel safe. Which I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing to have that, because you need to keep flexible, don't you? Maybe that's probably a bad thing.
No.
Need to keep flexible and try out other areas as well, so I have a backup if my favourite one doesn't work.
Oh, definitely, yeah, you should. I think you should have about 4 different favourite places.
Yeah, which we have earmarked some other places, but I just haven't used them because I've been really happy where I've been the first one I tried, so keep going back to that. But no, I should try other ones. We are now just pulling up at a Revolution Launderette, I think, to try our first.
You know where it is?
Yeah,
Straight in here.
in here. Which is in here. Which we drove past the other day and I just saw it out the corner of my eye.
Yeah, I'm going to reverse into it.
Over there, Revolution, 80 kilogram washing machine. So here's the Revolution Launderette. First time we've had a look at them really. They look great. Let's see if we can figure out how to use them. There's plenty for a lot more. That's good, isn't it? So we've chosen wash, and it's machine number 3, so that one. Would you like softener? Yes, please. Yes. No voucher. Choose your method. That one.
Okay.
Touch
so
screen. Try again.
might need the real card.
Right, so it didn't like the contactless, so we're. Oh, so that's an extra £2 for fabric softener. Oh, insert card. Processing.
This is quite long-winded, isn't it?
Yeah. Please go to machine 3, choose your cycle and press start. Oh, is it forgotten already? Choose your cycle, so 43 minutes, start.
looks like it's doing something.
About it. Hey. Dry clothes. Think we've done it right?
Hope so. Once we've selected tumble dry in a washing machine.
We can't have. There's the tumble. Definitely dry.
Oh no, it's starting to get wet now.
Is it?
Yeah, I thought I saw something drip.
It would be awful if you saw like something valuable in there
Yeah,
now.
like a £50 note.
Oh yeah, water. Not a lot of water.
I wonder if we could go online
there
and
we
do
go.
it. Register ourselves.
Perhaps. Have a look, see if we've got an email through.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've got 41 minutes to go. Let's go and park up in the proper
Where we should be.
car park.
I would have guessed this is not going to be that busy ever.
No.
Because it's not going to be... It's quite expensive, isn't it? So we could do this quite often. And
So that was
quite early.
Yeah. So that was 11 quid.
13.
13, £2, £11 for the wash, £2 for the fabric conditioner, and however many dry cycles it takes on top.
So at the moment that's cheaper than a service wash, isn't it?
It's cheaper than a service wash, and we could have probably got double that washing. But
yeah.
this was just a trial one to see
Yeah.
if it all worked okay. The alarm's just gone off, so our washing. Oh, it's still going. Should be finishing. Football pitch?
Do hickory going on.
So that was 43 minutes?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Still going. What's it say? 1 minute left. Okay. Do you want the top one or the bottom one?
No, I don't mind. Oh, bottom one.
Top one?
Because you could...
The top one will be cleaner.
Yeah, but you could leave a pair of pants in the top one and not see it.
Ah,
Huh? Huh? Huh?
Oh, that's full of hair and stuff.
Oh, don't put it in there. That's risk losing a pair of pants.
Okay, let's see how dry it is.
Do we need to check that?
That's spun really well.
Oh, cool. Do we need to check that it's not... Does it smell nice?
Yeah.
Do we need to check that one's not full of hair at the bottom that you can't see?
Couldn't see any in there. Oh. Right, these doors should be on the other way round.
Yeah. Should we swap them over quickly?
Take the spanners out. What about your shorts? Are they going in? Revolution race?
Have they been tumbled before?
I don't think they have. Have you? Oh, you've taken all the labels out, haven't you?
Yes, of course.
Should I try them in there?
Or dry them in the van. Oh, one of your dolly socks on the floor.
What do you think?
Morning.
Time is running out.
Let's go for it.
Sure?
Yeah, buy some more.
Right. Oh. Ooh.
Stuff and stuff.
Stuff and stuff. Okay, so shut that. Put your laundry, close the door. Select the appropriate service at the pay station. Make payment. Choose your temperature with the select button. Okay, so at the moment it's on high. Right, close the door, select the appropriate service at the pay station. Right, so we're drying. Machine number 1.
Yep.
Machine number 1. What should we do? 15 minutes and see?
What's the difference between 15 and 30?
£7, exactly the same money.
Oh yeah. What do you mean? Same money. Right, 3.50 and 7.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
So 3.50 and see what it's like.
Yeah.
Ignore voucher.
Because I could take my shorts out at that point.
Choose your payment method. So cash unavailable, so we can't even use cash if we wanted to.
Don't want to.
Approved.
Excellent.
Would you like a receipt? Go to machine 1, choose your cycle and press start. Okay. 1, so we're on high, press start. So how long is that? That 15 minutes.
Okay, time check.
What bird's that?
Okay, so early indications are it's smelling really nice, isn't it?
It smells lovely, like clean washing.
Yeah, surprise, surprise.
But yeah, I reckon that was 2 of our normal washing machine loads.
That was?
I reckon.
Really? Much as that? Well, that was more than you put in the old place.
It felt like in the bag. Looking at it there, it doesn't look as if it is. But say that's 2, we could definitely get 4 loads in.
Yeah.
And that makes it good value, doesn't it?
It does, yeah.
So I've just scanned the QR code, put in the details on my phone, and it's given you a register your Wash Me card in Google Wallet. Keep your card easily accessible, stay informed about your latest offers and exclusive benefits. Stay up to date with your Wash Me card offers. That's a loyalty card.
Okay, so 15 minutes have elapsed?
Yeah, 15 minutes hot dry. Let's see. I'll hold this.
Okay.
So most of it's dry. I think we've broken the machine somewhat. That's not quite dry. But the drawstrings from these trousers is stuck in the drum. And I think that has tangled everything up, so it's not.
Watch your head.
So some things aren't quite dry. I think if we hadn't gotten a tangle, it would all be dry in 15 minutes, which is really good.
So this morning we are just doing a few chores. We're right here now doing our laundry, and then we're heading from Somerset. We've got to go to our storage unit, and then we're heading from Somerset to Brands Hatch. We haven't done many bike meetings this year, which is unusual because we were going to do all of them, but what with moving and so on, we haven't. So this is the first one we've done. So we're off to Brands Hatch for 4 days, and while we're there, hopefully we'll bump into my brother-in-law, who's handy. And we're going to have this fitted. We bought ourselves, full price obviously, an EcoFlow alternator charger. So this is something you connect up through your battery and then connect it into your EcoFlow unit.
So this is the
There's a chance.
EcoFlow
There is a
alternator
chance that Tony might know
charger.
more about this than I do.
Which you can plug it into your leisure battery or your van battery, and it charges your EcoFlow really quickly. Usually if you plug your EcoFlow into your car to charge it, it can take up to 8 hours plus. But this one, using this alternator, it can charge 800 watts in as little as an hour, or hour and a half.
Yeah, that's what's
maybe.
1.3 I think.
Yeah.
It is that.
So that's a game changer, so we'll have a fully charged EcoFlow all the time.
Which makes me
no
realise.
solar panels needed.
Yeah, so you don't need to have loads of solar panels fitted. If it works, if it does what it says on the tin, so we'll let you know. We're going to get it fitted. Apparently, it's fairly straightforward.
Well, we're going to have a go at fitting it. It looks very straightforward, but
Yeah.
if we can't manage, we've got plenty of people around us that hopefully will be able to help.
Yeah, we'll just pretend to faint in the middle of a paddock at Brands Hatch, and hopefully somebody will come and say, "What's wrong, mate? What's wrong?" And say, "Can't be the EcoFlow, can't be it." And then they'll do it for us.
I'm sure we'll manage, Willie.
I'll just have a fainting fit. So yeah, that should be fun. Okay, so this is where my Auntie Julie lives. We are near a little place called Standerwick, and she lives down there. She's a good lady that's I'm in touch with quite often. So, hi Auntie G. Hope you feel well today. remembered.
In half a mile, turn
Shut up,
left.
Rob. Friday the 21st of June and we're at Brands Hatch. Today is the North Gloucester track day, so we will be walking around the circuit and having a look. It's a beautiful sunny day. Yeah, I'll show you around later.
Trying to get some weight out of my bag, so I want to carry my camera with my zoom lens and every little bit of weight helps on a day like today. It's hot. Hey! There's Gary. Yeah, good.
So this is Brands Hatch, a sunny Brands Hatch, and currently a very quiet Brands Hatch, isn't it, Willie?
Yeah, I love it.
You love it being quiet?
I do quite like it. So behind us is Paddock Bend, and we're walking up towards the hairpin. So we're hoping to hustle round in time to see the Group 1 come round. It's got my nephew in it and some friends. try and get some photos of them. This is Friday still, so this is just a track day. There's no racing or qualifying going on. This is just for fun. Yeah.
Squirrel.
So we've just gone over that bridge.
That bridge there. And on the other side of that bridge, they're doing some top secret filming.
Ooh, location.
But they couldn't tell us what they were filming because it was too secret.
Yeah.
This is really nice though, isn't it?
It's really beautiful. It's like, yeah.
So there's a little woodland walk back there.
As you said, it's like a mini spa.
It does feel like a mini spa. We didn't walk around that one, did we?
No, so we
Because it
can't
was
really
too
say that with
big.
any confidence, can we?
No, it has the feel of.
Yeah, but this is much bigger. There's another mile of this, so if you kept racing that way instead of going round up here in a minute, then that would take you onto the big circuit, and that's 2.2 miles, is it?
Was it?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
We
There's
can
one
walk
of those
round it.
caravans over there.
Is what?
Silvery caravans.
Oh yeah. Ooh. I wonder if they're filming. I wonder if that's what all those big motorhomes are for in that compound.
We'll never know.
We've come to the conclusion as well, I say we, me, I'm bored of carrying this, it's too heavy. We've just watched the qualifying for my nephew Gary's race from a really lovely spot just on the inside of the hairpin, and they're like the best spot so far, and yeah, he qualified 9th, was he, out of
Yeah, pretty well.
however many people there are here, lots of them, and yeah, good spot. A couple of really big slides he had there, but all good.
Sunday morning, all the bikes are starting up ready for their day of racing. It's a gorgeous sunny day, and you can hear all the generators in the background and the bikes racing around. It's pretty cool.
Alright, yep. Ready? Go ahead.
Filling up?
Pardon?
Filling up?
Just topping up. Just put a little bit of water in to get us home, basically.
Go down to what, 25%?
Yeah. So we've got our Tonka Toy Watering can.
It's a really good watering can we got from Earth Show. It works well, doesn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, it really does.
So put your spout in.
Put my spout in.
Fold your spout in.
Does that rock it off, do you know?
No.
Stop the water.
The water.
The water.
That's a really good watering can. 6 litres it is. But this doesn't make any sense to us, does it?
No.
Why the flap opens that way?
It's a nuisance.
If anyone knows if they're usually siliconed or siliflexed or whatever it is in, let us know, or if it's just a question of loosening something, we need to move it around.
Okay, there's a big delay here today on Sunday. One of the bikes, rumoured to be one of the classics, beautiful classics, has dumped its oil out somewhere around Clearways, which is the big right-hander as you come back on the start finish. And there's so much of it that they've had to stop the racing while they try and clean it up. So it's a proper issue. So
we're going to get an ice cream instead.
yeah.
We will let you know as soon as it's humanly possible what's going on. So keep yourselves, dare I say, out of the sun, surprisingly, and get ready for whenever we need you over here. So track 2 basically dry itself out over the top there, and then we'll be back with an assessment around about the 1 o'clock mark, about 25 to 30 minutes time.
Direction of Will's work.